More news from the US overnight and the banking sector, where regulators are saying they will stress test all banks in the US in order to see how they are faring in these tough times. Basically, any banks that are hurting for cash or are undercapitalised will receive funding in the form of convertible debt instruments. This means that debt can be converted into shares if the Fed find the need or really want to. Yet again, it shows that the US is really pumping more money into the industry in order to make sure that markets are freed up pretty quickly. The news is almost daily at the moment, and bank stocks recovered quite well on this news, although I note they're still down 56% from the beginning of the year. Even though bank stocks made some gains, equity markets were on the decline in the US, and the S&P 500 is down to its 12-year low. Manufacturing is really getting burnt globally, and there are a few signs as to what is going on here. Freighters are only half full at the moment, and this is one sign that there has been a massive decline in manufacturing. In Germany, machine tool orders are down 40% from what they were this time last year. In China, half of the 9,000 toy exporters have gone bust, while in Taiwan, notebook computer exports have fallen by a third in 1 month alone. In the US, car assembly plants are down 60% from what they were in January in 2008. In currency markets, the New Zealand dollar has been fairly steady, sitting around the 51-cent mark to the US dollar. In beef markets, US beef prices have pulled back over the past few weeks as more cows go to slaughter. We export a lot of our manufacturing beef to this market to go into meat patties, so over time a decrease in the US price will likely have an effect on our own schedule prices. Asian markets are really hurting at the moment, especially Japan and Korea, where we export a lot of our prime beef cuts. For example, in Korea, their economy will likely contract this year after nearly 20 years of almost 10% average growth. As a result of this, local schedule prices have been down over the past week.